Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make amazing quesadillas. First, let's get everything ready. You'll need tortillas, about 8 ounces of shredded cheese, and your chosen fillings like cooked chicken or sautéed veggies. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Make sure your cheese is freshly shredded for the best melting experience. This initial step is crucial for a delicious outcome. Now let's build your quesadilla. Heat a non-stick pan to about 300 degrees Fahrenheit over medium heat. Place one tortilla down, then sprinkle half of your shredded cheese evenly. Next, add your prepped fillings, spreading them out nicely. Finally, top with the remaining cheese and place a second tortilla on top. This layering creates a perfect cheesy center. It's time to cook. Cook your quesadilla for 2 to 3 minutes per side until it's beautifully golden brown and crispy. Use a wide spatula to carefully flip it, ensuring all those delicious fillings stay put. You'll know it's ready when the cheese is completely melted and bubbly. Once cooked, remove it from the pan and let it rest for 1 minute before slicing. This brief rest helps everything set. Your amazing quesadilla is ready. Carefully cut it into 2 or 4 wedges depending on your preference. Serve it immediately with your favorite accompaniments like fresh salsa, creamy guacamole, or cool sour cream. It's perfect for a quick meal or a fun snack. And hey, if you love reading while you cook or just relaxing, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.